Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting and cubing 2 to 3 pounds of seedless watermelon. Start blending immediately so juice stays bright. Once blended, pour through a fine mesh and press to yield about 2 cups of clear juice. This concentrates flavor and removes excess pulp. Measure 1/2 cup fresh lemon juice and 1/4 cup sugar and locate powdered pectin. Make sure to keep everything within reach because the next step, heating, is time-sensitive and benefits from precise timing. Once your ingredients are ready, combine the watermelon juice, lemon juice, and sugar in a wide saucepan and heat to a gentle simmer while stirring. You will whisk in the powdered pectin slowly so it dissolves without clumping. Make sure to bring the mix up to about 220 degrees Fahrenheit for proper gelling. To test, chill a small spoonful on a cold plate. If it wrinkles when pushed, you have achieved the right gel. If not, continue a minute and retest. You ladle the hot watermelon jelly into sterilized jars, leaving a 1/4 inch headspace, then wipe rims and seal with lids. Once filled, process the jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes to ensure a safe, shelf-stable finish. After processing, cool upright undisturbed so seals form properly. If the jelly seems runny after cooling, reheat and add a touch more pectin or 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to adjust acidity and pectin response. This single tweak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.